Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this DIY drawstring ponytail. This style is inspired by DearClaire. I came across her channel and I saw that she had done this video a few months ago. I'll leave a link to her channel if you want to check it out. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, thank you for watching. Now, because we're doing two little ponytails, we're gonna need two of the hair ties, and the hair I'm using I got from AliExpress. It is the Jamaican bounce. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate the hair like so, and you're going to attach it onto your hair tie and basically just tie it. It's simple and straightforward. Yeah, so you're gonna continue to do that all around it until you've achieved the amount that you want. For both of the drawstrings, I actually used a pack and a half of the hair just because I wanted it to be more full and I wanted to have more weight to it, so that way it just feels nice and, you know, good on your head basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the video. I just basically showed you how I did the hair completely and how full it is, and that's it, and I'll see you very soon. Alrighty, so this is what they both look like. It looks really nice and full. I absolutely love it. It's easy and simple. Now onto my hair. So basically I'm just brushing out my hair first just to get out all the knots and stuff, and then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and what we're gonna do is split the hair down the middle just so we can have that two little ponytails. Now please don't diss me, guys. Here I was thinking I was actually doing a very straight line, but I wasn't. The line at the back was actually crooked. I didn't see this until I was editing this video. So yeah, I went out that day with a crooked line at the back of my head. So please just don't shade me, just ignore it. So anyway, I'm basically just doing that, and yeah, as you can see, I wanted to make sure that it was straight, but it wasn't straight, so we're just gonna leave it like that. So what I'm doing now is basically just packing one section away from my head, and we're going to pack this side properly so it's in a low bun. And this is how I do my hair. I literally just pack it slick and it kind of stays like that as well.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Alrighty, now that that's done, we're gonna grab the Eco Styler gel, and then we're going to lay down the hair. Our hair. So basically this is what I do when I'm gelling my hair. I literally just apply it when it's been packed, and it actually works like that for me. And then I'm gonna grab my paddle brush and literally just try and slick it down a bit more, and also go in with my toothbrush to do the baby hairs. So I left it in for about 10 minutes. As you can see, still looks a little bit wet, but it dried off later. So now with the hair, you want to pop it like so. You want to make sure your bun is actually sticking out like that, and I basically just wrap the tie around my bun once, and that kind of like let it stay in place like that. Yep. And then I basically just flip the hair over, and it looks pretty secure at the time, but I just grabbed like 2 strands of hair, or probably a bit more, and then I just wrapped it around so that way it's a bit more secure, just to be safe, you know, because you don't want it falling out while you're outside. And yeah, I basically just did the same thing to the other side as well. Now with this drawstring ponytail is actually versatile. You can use it in an eye ponytail, which I've done as well. It goes both ways, and what I like about it is the fact that you can actually reuse the hair. You can just untie it whenever you don't want to, you know, use it like this anymore, which is great. Alright, so here I am actually trying to look at the back of my hair, but it wasn't really much of a success, and I didn't try to unravel the hair, but I just thought I'll leave it as well. And also in terms of the white specks, it did disappear just because it wasn't dried yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I absolutely love this style. It's very easy, and it's just very versatile. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Before you came round,